Chubibo Kids Hub Halloween Special. Hello kids, let's have some trick or treat. All you have to do for the trick is to say the sound of the letters and blend them to read 3-letter words. You will then get a treat for every successful trick. Are you ready? Let's start with H. A-T. H sounds H. H. A sounds A. A. T sounds T. T. Blend the sounds like H. A. T. Hat. Great job! Here's your treat. Next, C. A. T. Cat. Well done! A treat for you! Next, W. E. B. W. W. E. E. B. B. W. E. B. Web. Excellent! You get another treat. And last, B. A. T. B. B. A. A. T. T. B. A. T. Bat. Fantastic! These are your treats for completing this lesson. I hope you had fun. Until next time, see you kids!